Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar, and we're here today to do part 2 of our best dash cams of 2020 list. In part 1, we went over the top 5 premium dash cams of 2020, including our top pick of the year, the THINKWARE U1000. If you haven't already watched that video, be sure to check it out before moving forward. We're going to start off this list with one of the best entry-level dash cams on the market, the BlackVUE DR590W 2CH. The DR590W 2CH is a 2-channel system that comes with all the essentials so you can start capturing your drive right away. Full HD video resolution with Sony Starvis image sensors to deliver image clarity day and night. The DR590W is not a cloud-compatible dash cam, so you won't be getting remote live view, cloud storage, or any of the BlackVUE over-the-cloud features. But thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi and a free BlackVUE mobile app, you can still tap into the dash cam from your smartphone to adjust camera settings, check the view from the cameras, and download saved footage files. Impact and motion detection provide adequate parking mode coverage while you're away from your vehicle. Next, at number 5, we have the THINKWARE FA200. The THINKWARE FA200 is voted best bang for your buck, and it is the #1 choice for anyone new to dash cams. In fact, it's one of the more popular dash cam models that our affiliates and influencers prefer, including accelerated motion and aerial from Vortex Radar. The THINKWARE FA200 is a full HD front-facing camera that comes with an optional HD rear camera. What makes the FA200 so great is THINKWARE's heavy emphasis on advanced parking features. The FA200 is equipped with time-lapse and energy-saving mode for extended surveillance. The FA200 comes with a free THINKWARE mobile viewer app that you can use to adjust camera settings, check the camera view, and transfer footage files all from the comfort of your smartphone or mobile device. Our next choice is our budget-friendly infrared camera system, the VIOFO A12 Dual IR. The A12 Dual IR is a 2-channel dashcam system that records the road ahead in 140 degrees and inside the vehicle in 160 degrees, giving you the most coverage in full HD. The infrared cameras give you great in-cabin video recording, even in complete darkness. The A12 Dual IR comes with buffered parking mode to capture events leading up to an incident. There's also auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The A12 Dual IR comes with built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, giving you the option to connect your smartphone to the dash cam over 2.4 GHz or the faster 5 GHz. While the VIOFO mobile app is not as feature-rich as the THINKWARE or BlackVUE app, you can still use it to preview and download saved footage, view GPS track data, and control camera settings. Coming in at number 3, we have the BlackVUE DR750S 2CH. If cloud ready is something you're looking for, then you don't want to miss the DR750S 2CH. Just like the top-of-the-line BlackVUE DR900S, the DR750S comes with all the premium features such as parking mode, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and BlackVUE over-the-cloud service. The only difference? The DR900S gets you 4K in the front camera, whereas the DR750S, you get full HD. The rear camera in both systems offer full HD. In other words, if 4K is not a big thing for you, then the DR750S is a great budget-friendly option for a powerful cloud-ready dashcam. Well, coming in at number 2 is the VIOFO A119 V3. The A119 V3 is our best budget-friendly 2K dashcam recommendation. It's also one of our viewers' most favorite dashcam of the year, and it's not difficult to understand as the A119 V3 packs a ton of great features for its price tag. With a 5-megapixel Sony Starvis image sensor, the A119 V3 delivers great 2K QHD Plus recording day or night. Parking mode? The A119 V3 has it too. Buffered parking mode with features like auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. The A119 V3 does not come with built-in Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi modules. It's not cloud ready, nor is there a dedicated mobile app for viewing your footage files right on your smartphone. However, there's a 2-inch LCD screen built right on the dashcam itself that gives you easy access to your recorded files. And you can always plug the micro SD card into your laptop or computer and use the desktop viewer to manage your files. If Wi-Fi and cloud connectivity is important, then for sure go for the THINKWARE Q800 Pro 2K or the U1000. But if all you need is just 2K recording resolution and the essentials, then the VIOFO A119 V3 is for you. And finally, what we've all been waiting for, our #1 best budget-friendly dashcam of 2020, the VIOFO A12 Pro Dual. Arguably one of the best dashcams of the year, the A12 Pro is a true 4K dashcam, putting it right up with the premium THINKWARE U1000 and the BlackVUE DR900S. The VIOFO A12 Pro comes with all the great features that you would look for in a great dashcam. A wide-angle lens, dual-band Wi-Fi support, multiple bitrate options, H.265 compression, and parking mode. And unlike the A119 V3, the VIOFO A12 Pro comes with Wi-Fi support, so you can tap into the dashcam using the free VIOFO mobile viewer app. The A12 Pro does offer buffered parking recording, time-lapse, and motion detection, but it lacks the level of reliability and sophistication of the THINKWARE dashcam. In terms of cloud connectivity, VIOFO doesn't offer any cloud service at this time, so you won't be getting any cloud features with the A12 Pro either. In other words, as a true 4K dashcam, the A12 Pro is an awesome consideration, but if you're looking for a complete solution with cloud and parking mode, the U1000 is still our go-to selection. And that's it, folks! All of these dashcams can be found on our website, as well as our best dashcams of 2020 page here. And as always, if you have any questions or need more suggestions, you know where to find us. We have new models and dashcams coming out later this year, so be sure to check back as we'll be updating our best of guide and videos every month. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest dashcam news and trends. Thanks for watching.